Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of internet. By using these ideas I was able to perform well in my assessments. You also can use the same ideas, and now let's get started. Advantages and disadvantages of internet. What is internet? The internet is the publicly available worldwide system of interconnected computer networks that transmit data by packet switching over the internet protocol. The internet is a global data communication system. It is a hardware and software infrastructure that provides connectivity between computers. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please hit the red color subscribe button and the bell notification for more videos. Internet can be divided into two as advantages and disadvantages. If you have more ideas, put that in the comment section below. How did the internet develop? Internet was born in late 1960s. The internet has its root in the ARPANET system of the US Department of Defense, which linked together mainframe computers to form communication networks. The forefather of internet is ARPANET. And now, if you have if you have any more content, put those in the in the comment section below. Basic services of internet: electronic mail, FTP, telnet, Usenet news, and the World Wide Web. Electronic mail. It is also known as the email in short. We can use it to send mail and receive a mail. We can also send audio, video, images, and many other documents. It is faster than the hard copy. FTP. FTP enables users to move file from one computer to another computer. File may contain text, document, image, artwork, movie, sound, and software. And telnet. Telnet enables users to log into another computer on internet using software on remote computer database or remote computer computing power of remote computer. This action is called remote login. Remote login means about telnet. Usenet news. Usenet news servers enable a group of internet users to exchange their views, ideas, information, or some common topic of internet. A news group is like a large notice board accessible to all members belonging to the group. Two types of group: moderated and non-moderate. The World Web. It is most popular method of accessing internet. It is uses concept of known as hypertext. Web pages are created by using a special language, which is a programming language called HTML, hypertext markup language. And now let's go to the advantages. Advantages means which is useful for our daily lives. Uses of the internet: online communication, software sharing, product promotion, feedback about product, customer support service. Online communication is like social media. Software sharing, you can use the app, share it. Product promotion is like promoting anything in Facebook. Feedback about the product. Customer support services. Now let's talk about disadvantages, which is not useful for us. Theft of personal information from us and spamming. Virus threat. Social media addiction. And for more videos, please subscribe Tech Track and the Tech World.